Looking for the best hardwood floor cleaners? Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you choose the right products with confidence. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. During our testing, Bona's Hardwood Floor Cleaner was the only product to receive perfect marks. This cleaner is designed specifically for hardwood floors versus being an all-purpose floor cleaner, so it did amazingly well, even in a home with 2 dogs. We found that it has no scent at all, as well as no dyes, ammonia, phosphates, parabens, or formaldehyde in its formula. But what we liked most is that it performs as a strong clear. During testing, it effectively removed most of the stains we left in its tracks, with only a faint remnant of our tomato paste left behind, which we discovered can be removed with a bit more extra product. The dirt and soda stains we left were cleaned up with ease. As for a crayon mark, there were some remnants left behind, but we used rubbing alcohol to clean it completely. Number 2. Pallmann Hardwood Floor Cleaner Concentrate. Pallmann Hardwood Floor Cleaner Concentrate comes in a large 1-gallon bottle and is equal to 8 gallons of cleaning formula. That means one bottle will last you a considerably long time, making this pick our very best concentrate. The pH-neutral formula ensures a streak-free finish. During our tests, we diluted the product as instructed and used it with a spray bottle to clean up our stains, including tomato paste and dirt. Pallmann earns a spot on our list because it did a good job of tackling floor stains and because we liked the subtle citrus scent. It was relatively simple to mix, and you need very little product for it to be effective. Overall, the process was clean and easy to execute, but for those on a time crunch, a solution you don't need to dilute may work better for your needs. Number 3. Pine Sol is a well-known brand that works as a disinfectant to kill 99.9% of viruses, including the COVID-19 virus. We added a 1/4 cup of solution for each 1 gallon of water. It effectively cleaned our stains with relatively less effort and left behind no residue and limited stickiness. In our tests using Pine Sol, dark soda and dirt stains wiped off in one go without any residue or marks left behind. The crayon required a little more scrubbing, but removed quickly and left behind no marks. After 2 minutes, we found the floor was completely dry and back to its previous shine. Just be aware that this cleaner is not suitable for use on unfinished, unsealed, unpainted, waxed, oiled, or worn flooring. It might be best to spot test if you are unsure, and this guidance is also provided with many other floor cleaners. Number 4. Rejuvenate All Floors Cleaner. Rejuvenate All Floors Cleaner really packs a punch when it comes to sparkling floors. Made with special booster technology, this formula will help your floors regain their shine. As with other cleaners on this list, it removed most of our stains with ease, and more stubborn stains needed some extra elbow grease. We think Rejuvenate would be especially effective for big weekly cleans or when you want to let your floors take center stage. For a deeper and even shinier clean, try leaving the solution to soak in for a few minutes. Rejuvenate claims to have a fresh scent, which we found to be similar to Windex, but not as strong. This is something we were able to look past, as its cleaning abilities outweighed any unpleasant smell. Number 5. Mr. Clean Professional Finished Floor Cleaner. At roughly $20 per 1-gallon bottle, we found that Mr. Clean's Finished Floor Cleaner is best used when diluted with water, so only a small amount of product is needed to effectively clean your floors. We were happy that Mr. Clean could easily take on stains too with little elbow grease in a home with 4 teenagers and a big dog. In our tests, Mr. Clean worked equally well for tile as well as hardwood, and there was no product residue left behind. It also effectively removed most of the stains we left in its path. When we first took the cap off the cleaner, we noted that it had a powerful, strong, clean smell. Once it was diluted, as instructed, there was hardly any smell at all. Given the small amount of product needed to clean stains, we think Mr. Clean provides a lot of power for a small price.